Pasok bro. Ito ay chapter 2, verse 34, tafsir ni Al-Tabari. Tafsir ni Al-Tabari yan ha. Basahin natin. Ayan worship. Worship ang ginagawa. Ali ibn al-Husayn told me, saying Abu Nasar, Ahmad bin Muhammad al-Khalil told me, saying Sunayd ibn Dawood told me, saying Hushayn told us, saying Abdul Rahman ibn Yahya will confirm us on the authority of Musa ibn Numair and Uthman ibn Sa'id ibn Kamil on the authority of Sa'ad bin Masud, who said the angels were fighting the jinn and Iblis was captured while he was young. He was with the angels and worshiped with them. He was with the angels and worshiped with them. Sa Arabic, tingnan natin. Ito na part. Ito yung worship. Diyan. Hanggang dyan. Pag binasa mo yan, fakana ma'al malaikatu, fata'abudu, falama aram, bi'al sujud. Bi'al sujud la Adam sujud. Ito yung nagtatranslate na worship. Balik tayo doon. So pag forward mo to, ito sinasabi ko sa iyo, nahanapan mo ko ng Arabic, itatranslate mo sa para makita natin. Ito, pinakita na natin sa iyo na pag i-word forward mo yan, lalabas, nag-worship siya kasama mga angels. Ito pang masaklap ngayon. Pag tinignan mo tong Bi'al Sujud, kasama malaikatu, mga angels. Kung tinignan mo sa Arabic dictionary dito, Al-Ma'ani dictionary, pag titignan mo yan, anong meaning niyan? Worship. Yan ang worship. Worship ang meaning ng Bi'al Sujud.
Diyan ka pala kumukuha ng kuano.
Magiging mali lang to kung meron kayong source. Wala nga kayong source. Saan sa inyo? Sabihin natin mali to, pero saan sa inyo? Sabihin na natin mali yan, huwag natin gamitin yan. Saan naman sa inyo? Magbigay kayo yung sa inyo.
Ikuan mo nga bro, yung sa akin bro, paano ko magkuhan. Tingnan mo sa akin, ito.
Ayan, expand.
Sige, para makuhan mo ako.
Yan, hanapin mo dyan yung Al-Tabari yung pinakauna.
Ito?
Di, baliktad. Left right tayo Pa right and left tayo Yan,
ito.
Al-Tabari. Sa pinakauna. 110 yan ha. Al-Tabari yan. Click mo yan. Piliin mo sa gilid, lagay mo chapter 2. Yung sa taas.
Ito na. Okay na. Ito pala.
Ikaw mismo mag-navigate para alam mo. Gawin mo 34. Sige. Hindi kita niluloko. Click mo yung unoffer na pula. Tabi ng tafsir.
Ito?
Click mo yan. Click. Pag-click mo kanon, pupunta ka na sa tafsir niya, maglo-loading yan. Ayan na. Arabic yan. Yan. Pag nakalagay dyan, Ali ibn al-Husayn told me. Pag may nakita ka, yun na yun. Kita mo na? Ibn Ali al-Husayn. Sige, basahin mo sa cellphone mo. Sige, gamitin natin expand mo yun. Expand mo yung sa'yo. Ikaw mismo mag-share screen. Pakita mo sa akin.
Ito. Abu Nasr Ahmad ibn Muhammad al-Khalal told me, saying Sunayd ibn Dawood told me, saying Hushaym told us, saying Abdul Rahman ibn Yahya informed us on the authority of Musa ibn Numair and Uthman ibn Sa'id ibn Kamil on the authority of Sa'ad ibn Mas'ud, who said the angels were fighting the jinn and Iblis was captured while he was young. He was with the angels. He was with the angels and worship with them.
Worship with them. Worship ang ginamit.
Kasama sa angels and worship with them. Kasama si Adam sa...
Si Iblis yan. Hindi si Adam yan. Si Iblis
pala si
tinutukoy dyan. Iblis, dahil yung pinakaunang si Iblis tinutukoy dyan.
When there were... to?
And the angels were fighting the jinn and Iblis. And Iblis was captured. He was young. So Iblis yan. Si Iblis yan. The angels were fighting. Unawain mo na maigi yung English.
Tama.
And the angels were fighting. Then, fighting the jinn. Fighting the jinn and was captured while he was young. Si Iblis yan. He was with the angels. Kasama doon niya ang mga angels worshiping with them.
Tama.
Si Iblis, kasama ng mga anghel na nag-worship. So, ang mga anghel nag-worship mismo. So, therefore, wino-worship nila si Adam para katulad ni Juan Bautista na wino-worship si Kristo. Yan mismong website na ninyo yan nagsasabi. Di ako nagsasabi niyan. Ito pa, dagdagan natin paliwanag ni Ibn Ashur. Ito. Sabi ni Ibn Ashur, balik ka doon sa tafsir. Huwag dyan sa GPT kasi kulang ang kalaman sa chat GPT.
Sige.
Huwag ka dyan. Bigay ka dyan sa chat GPT. Punta ka kay Ibn Ashur. Ito sabi ni Ibn Ashur, To kay Ibn Ashur to. Tafsir Ibn Ashur Sunni. The use of the preposition li for with the name Adam in the phrase prostrate yourselves, which is yun ang sinasabi ng prostrate yourselves, indicates that they were commanded to prostrate themselves to Him, which is the original meaning of the li of the purpose when it is so prostrate yourselves before God and worship connected to the act of prostration. Yung act of prostration, konektado daw ang worship doon. Paliwanag ni Ibn Ashur yan. Marami pa kayong tafsir, nagulo na naman. Sabi na naman niya, yung prostration is connected sa worship. Ang worship daw doon kay Adam ay connected sa act of prostration. O puntahan mo yan, Ibn Ashur, punta ka, hanapin mo doon. Sige, ikaw mismo, anong kita, turuan kita mismo. Punta ka sa Ibn Ashur, gawin mo English o gawin mong all schools, Al-Hijra 3093. Ibn Ashur. Palakyan kita para makita mo. Ibn Ashur, ayan, taas. 1393. Akit. Yan. Ashur, okay. Click mo yan, akit.
Ito.
Sige pa.
Days of preposition.
Sige ba? Sige.
Days of preposition.
Basahin. Sige.
For with the name Adam. Praise, prostrate yourself indicates that they were commanded to prostrate themselves to Him, which is the original meaning of the li of purpose when it is so prostrate yourself before God and worship connected to act of prostration.
Yung worship doon connected yun sa prostration. Basahin mo.
Ang basa pala ng li, ito palang professionally, for with the name Adam in the praise.
For Adam.
In the praise.
Kung kay Adam ha?
With the name Adam.
The name Adam. Prostrate yourselves. Anong meaning daw doon?
Prostrate yourselves indicate that they were commanded to prostrate themselves to Him. Prostrate to themselves to Him, which is original meaning of the li of the purpose when it is so prostrate yourself.
It is name of Adam, prostrate to Adam yan ha. It is
so prostrate yourself before God.
Tuloy mo.
And worship.
Ano itong klase prostration? Connected to the act of prostration. Yung kay Adam na prostrate yourselves, connected sa act ng prostration. Yung worship na yon, connected siya. Sabi dyan. Ibn Ashur yan ha.
Sunni ito, sunni.
Search mo. Sige, search mo sa Google mo. Gawa ka na bagong Google. Search mo, Ibn Ashur, kung sunni ba.
Ibn Ashur is Sunni. Yes, tama.